come with me to do farm chores and I'll show you some of my favorite winter coats. I would say my most worn is this black long coat. It's Roper and I've had it for 2 years now and I wear it like absolute crazy. Hey, what did I say? What did I say? Duck, leave it alone. So my second favorite is probably this denim Sherpa ones. It is Levi's and it's one that I layer with everything during the winter. One of my favorites, it's so warm. I bought this one secondhand, but they do have this exact one on their website. 12 out of 10 recommend. My third favorite coat, now that my hands are frozen, is this camel jacket that I got from Abercrombie & Fitch. I got this last season. It's men's, it's a little pricey, worth every penny. One, I think it's trendy, and two, it's warm, so it's functional, you know? We're gonna go take Melva some treats. These are her favorite. No, this isn't for you. Big boy.
What is that? Is that your frisbee? Get it.
Last jacket. This is number 4. This is a new one that I got this year, so I haven't worn it a ton, but the couple times that I have, I've loved it. I feel like it's well insulated. I just really like these puffer coats. I feel like they're really nice. So this one's Kimes Ranch. I also love the turquoise on the inside. So this is number 4, and that's all. So thanks for watching.